And I told them today, if I hear that, we fire that customer. Well, I don't put up with that. They're not going to treat my team members like that.
This is very unique. Do you know that?
Yeah, it's kind of like high school or something. You mess with my guys, you're going to have to go through me, or you're going to have to go through, it's a team thing. We got to stick up for each other. We got to be there for our team. Because if you do that, then they feel less like, oh, you care more about the money. I have an example. Omar Castillo, which he's fantastic. I just saw him this morning. He calls me, goes, hey, we're at this job site. I think it was in New Braunfels or San Antonio. There's a bird's nest with little baby birds on the camera. The customer says, just take the birds and throw them to the street, just whatever. We need to switch the camera out. I said, no, we're not. We don't kill baby birds. You guys can leave it. We'll take the hit on the camera. I don't care. It's up to them to remove the birds, but I don't want them to hurt the birds either. So I know it sounds weird, but most people would be like, let's take those birds and because it's $500. Why would you not want to? And I'm just throwing a number out there. That's the kind of stuff we have to start. And now I'm not gonna lie here. 10, 15 years ago, I'd have probably been like, do what you got to do, but not anymore. I'm not like that. Animals they treat us a lot better than humans do. That's for sure. So I'm going to leave those birds be, and they're still there. So,
I have known you for many years, more than 15 years or something. You changed because I look at it from outside in the good way. You were the hardcore businessman, go get it, kill the deal. That's it. You screwed. I'm going to go. Now, 100-degree change. You are still a good man. You're emotional. You much giver. You're more emotional. You are very vulnerable because a lot of people, they're going to judge you based on your vulnerability.
For sure.
And then do you think that you're going to be weak when they judge you? Or you're going to say, whatever, fuck you, whatever, you're going to judge me?
Yeah, I really don't care. I don't care if you like me or don't. I'm going to be as fair. I'm always so fair. I'm a very nice person. But like they say, if you don't have haters, then you did something wrong. Like I've noticed, you start to realize who the haters are too. You see them, they're in your plain sight. They're there. And the thing is, have I been jealous of other business owners? Have I been jealous of, oh, look at this guy, he's driving a Ferrari or he's driving. Yeah, everybody's like that. I wish I had that. But now I'm happy for that person. I don't want that car. Now you have to deal with all the people wanting to borrow money, or you have the people going, oh, you're fancy, you got a nice car. It's crazy how just living in Austin, most of our millionaires or billionaires, they drive around in Yukons and pickup trucks. They don't drive around in Lambos and Bentleys, and that's a whole different